Hey, if you are using Redmi Buds 5 and you have this pairing issue, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, just simply remove previously connected devices if you were connected and turn off the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Next, you will have to input both earbuds, the left one and the right one, inside the charging case. Then simply close it for a few seconds, and after this, just open it and use this button that is actually located on the right side, this one, and we will have to click and hold it and perform the hard reset of our device and enter the pairing mode automatically after the hard reset will be complete. So keep holding this button. Now the device is resetting because this indicator is blinking quickly, and now you can release this button. Now keep that case open, turn on the Bluetooth back on your smartphone. Now from the available devices, just select the Redmi Buds 5, click on them once, and now accept the pairing request. There we go. Right now we are connected, and you can tell me if it works. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.